Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus battery, a top-notch home or business security camera that boasts HD video, two-way talk, color night vision, and a security siren, making it perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their security system. This device is specially designed for homeowners, business owners, and anyone who wants to keep an eye on their property, providing them with peace of mind and a sense of security. Let me break down the specs. The Ring Spotlight Cam Plus battery is equipped with a powerful processor chip, the Ambarella CV25, which enables smooth video recording and processing. The camera has a resolution of 1080p at 30 frames per second, with a field of view of 140 degrees, and it can produce videos with a brightness of up to 2000 lumens. The device has a battery capacity of 6,400 milliamp hours, which provide the battery life of up to 6 months, depending on usage, and it can be recharged at a speed of 5 watts. The camera itself is 12 megapixels and has a RAM of 512 megabytes and a storage of 4 gigabytes. The device weighs around 450 grams and has dimensions of 126 millimeters x 66 millimeters x 88 millimeters. It runs on the latest version of the Ring OS, and it has a USB-C port for charging, as well as Bluetooth 4.0 and Wi-Fi 802.11b divided by G divided by N for connectivity. Additionally, it features color night vision, a security siren that can be activated remotely, and two-way talk, allowing users to communicate with visitors or intruders. The device is also weather-resistant, with an IP56 rating, and it operates at temperatures between minus 20 degrees Celsius and 48 degrees Celsius. In real-world use, the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus battery performs remarkably well, providing clear and crisp video even in low-light conditions, thanks to its color night vision feature. The battery life is also impressive, lasting for several months on a single charge, even with frequent use. The device is also very responsive, with fast video loading and smooth two-way talk. The build quality is solid, with a sturdy feel in the hand, and the audio quality is clear and loud. When used in sunlight, the camera's video quality remains excellent, with minimal glare or distortion. Multitasking is also handled well, with no noticeable lag or slowdown. Real-world reviews praise the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus battery for its ease of installation, with many users reporting that it took them less than 30 minutes to set up. Users also love the device's motion detection feature, which can be customized to detect specific types of motion, such as people or animals. Additionally, users appreciate the device's integration with other smart home devices, such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant.